Hi guys, I thought I'd do a quick unboxing and review about this Bosch drill. So if you're interested in seeing some of the key features this drill has and a quick performance test, then please watch this video until the end. So I've just bought a new drill, it's just arrived. I ripped it open, it's from Amazon. Let's get that out of the way. So this is the Bosch PSB 1800 LI-2. This is one of those Amazon deal of the day kind of things. I think it was like £59, something like that. And it comes with 2 batteries as well. So I thought I'll pick that up, sounds like a bit of a bargain. So let's open it. Hold on. It's like a seal on here. Okay. Yeah, the other side is the same. Get them open. There we go. So we're in. Yes. Okay, so this is what it comes with. I'm just going to angle the camera down a bit. So we've got the drill. It's got battery as well. Here's the battery. We've got the spare battery and the charger. And there's an instruction book as well. So pretty straightforward. So if you're looking for a cheap drill that's not that's got some quality to it, you know, Bosch has got quite a good reputation. This one could be for you. Okay, so let's talk about some of the features on this drill. So as I say, it came with the carry case, the instructions, 2 batteries, and a battery charger. So the drill itself, let's have a look. It says power for all, Bosch lithium system. So it's a lithium battery, rechargeable of course, 18-volt battery, and it has 2 amp hours. I'm not sure if you can upgrade that to 3 or 4 amp hours, but with this setup, 2 amp hours is okay. And then it's got a light here, which illuminates where you're drilling. And then you've got this power gauge, which looks like a little, like a petrol station, petrol pump with like levels. As you can see, I've fully charged that battery, and it's on the maximum level. We've got the usual switch here, lock, unscrew and screw, standard trigger, which has got like increments, so you can start off slowly and then keep pushing, which is nice because you can really control it. If you've got some wood that you don't want to screw in too hard, you can put it on the screw feature, take it slow. So yeah, at the top it's got the screw feature, the drill feature and the hammer feature. And it's got torque settings from 1, which he says here, screw control, so low torque settings 1 to 5, and then up to 10 I'd say is around your when you drill, and then from 10 to 15 or 15 to 20 is where you would use the hammer setting, I would say, depending on what you're doing. There's a speed at the top, 1 and 2, and then you've got this light feature here, so that's unscrew, and then when you change it to screw, it'll point forward. That could be quite useful when you're about to use the drill. If you've forgotten which way you've got it set to, you could just trigger it and just to find out. That's good. It's got the chuckless key, as all drills have these days. And then we come on to the battery. Oh, there's just one thing I noticed on the body as well. For some reason it has a little picture of a man. Looks like he's reading a book. No idea what that's doing there. If you know, please let me know in the comments below. So, okay, the battery. It unclips backwards. And then we'll move on to the battery charger. Okay, so here's the charger. I'll just plug it in. Okay, and it's quite a standard charger, so it's just got one light, and then that light flashes when you plug in your battery. So the way you plug it in, there's these contacts on the back of the battery, and then they have to meet with these. There's some contacts in here. So what you have to do is you have to tilt the battery up, fit it in the back part, make sure it's in, and then push down, and it will lock into place. So that felt a bit weird to me because at first, because it felt really tight, but I think that's just because it's new. And then you can see it's locked in place, the battery is flashing and it's charging. As I say, you get two batteries. That's about it for all the features and the unboxing. So now I'll give you a look at how it performs, how it deals with some wood and some brick. Okay, let's see how it deals with these different types of scrap wood. So this one's pretty soft. I've got quite a big drill bit in here, and I've set it to the medium torque, which is 10. It goes up to 20, and I've got it on drill mode. And then I've got it on setting 1, so speed number 1. Okay, that's gone through quite easily. I think I'll just crank it up to number 2. Yeah, easy. So the softwood, that's probably some redwood, I don't know. It's gone through that like butter. This one's a bit harder. This is quite seasoned as well. It's been out to dry. So it's harder than the last one, so let's see how this one does. Okay. Not as easy as the first one, but it's gone straight through, and not much of a problem. Now I've got another piece here which is quite tough. I'm not sure what kind of wood it is, but we'll give that one a go. There we go, straight through again with no problem at all. So I found this piece of rock in the garden. I'll give it a go on that same settings, number 2, fast mode, medium torque. Start like there. Okay, now this is quite a soft brick, but you can see this is not even a masonry bit as well, so it's going into there quite easily as well, so it's pretty capable. Okay, so on that piece of wood that I just drilled, now I'm going to try a couple of screws. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this little one. just a little wood screw. I'm not going to drill a pilot hole, I just want to see how the drill can drill the screw into the wood. I'm going to use the chuck that I was provided with in the box. This is on setting number 1. Slipping a bit, but it's the drill bit provided was a little bit small, so that doesn't really matter. This is a drywall screw. No problem at all. Another wood screw. In fact, let's try it on full power mode, number 2. That should really ram it in. Oh yeah. No problem at all there. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the light feature that this drill has. So I've turned the lights off, and here's the wall. So as you can see, it lights up the area right where you want it. So I've had a lot of drills where the light is like here by the trigger, and it doesn't even properly light up where you're drilling, but this one's underneath and it is pretty good, pretty accurate, so that's good. I'm happy with that. Okay guys, thank you for watching this review about this Bosch drill. Obviously I haven't had it very long, so I can't say how it performs in the long term, but first impressions are good. It feels really good in the hand. It's quite well weighted as well, so it feels like a nice drill to use. It feels really good quality. It's really solid. It does stand up, and for the price range I think it's a bargain. So just have a look on Amazon, because I'm not sure if this deal is still on offer, but you can buy this drill on various websites if you check on Google, and you can buy it used as well on places like eBay. And I'd recommend getting it with the 2 batteries, because I've seen it for sale with 1 battery, but I don't think there's much of a price difference, so I'd get it with the 2 batteries. It seems to drill good. It seems to do as well as I'd expect, even though it being a cheap drill. It feels really good. So far so good. So I hope that's helped you if you're thinking about buying one of these drills and you thought you'd just check on YouTube first to see if anybody's put a review on. My first impressions are good, and so far I'm happy with this purchase. So yeah, please comment below, please like this video if you liked it, and please subscribe for more videos.